Shino Badegeshi, an experienced insurance practitioner, banking expert, astute entrepreneur, and industry captain, is the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Goxi Microinsurance Company Limited, the foremost microinsurance solutions provider in Nigeria.
The idea of Goxi Microinsurance, the idea of conceptualizing the organization and even the birthing of the company was that of Dr. Godwin Egeamusoe. If you know Dr. Godwin Egeamusoe, he's a renowned Nigerian personality who has contributed immensely at ensuring that value is delivered to people at the bottom of the pyramid and in the low-income micro. He's the founder of Lakpo Microfinance. He's also the founder of Lakpo NGO, and he has done quite a lot in that regard to all at ensuring that services and values are delivered to people who are low income, for them to have a sustainable life, both for them and their business. Our objective as an organization is to ensure that we impact those bottom of the pyramid. If you look at fundamentally, when you look at the Nigerian insurance penetration, insurance is not something that anybody will wake up to want to buy, but rather insurance is really very useful and beneficial. Very unfortunately also, the sector that also are very averse to taking up insurance are the low-income earners, the low-income people. And when you look at countries all over the world, the most vulnerable, within any economy in the world are the people who are in the low-income bracket. The moment there is any shock in the economy, they are always worse affected as a result of lack of awareness of the need for them to take benefit of insurance. And what fundamentally microinsurance is all about is to, ensuring that those low-income and the micro and small-scale businesses also have the opportunity of taking insurance products for the benefit of, their business, and then for them to also be able to create a sustainable life so that they do not fall into poverty in the event of any shock, either to their business or to them as a family. The vision of our organization is to be the leading provider of microinsurance services that truly enhance the living standard of low-income people. And our mission is to break barrier of poverty and give meaning to the life of our customer through innovative risk management solution. So that is the mission of the organization. Yes, greatly. We have done that. If you look at, we came into existence about 4 years ago, and today we have been able to, through different products that we have launched into the market, enrolled well over close to over 400,000 in terms of enrollment. And we have also been able to pay well over 400 million in terms of claims. And if you look at the population of all of those that have benefited from this claim, they are the likes of those that you would not have thought would want to embrace taking up an insurance, such as the mama fish seller in the market, the micro and small business owner, the artisan, the tricycle rider, and all of those. They form fundamentally close to about 95% of those who have benefited from our services. And when you look at that impact, we have been able to create economic and social impact in terms of ensuring that those people who are affected have been able to start all over again, for them to be able to create a sustainable life for themselves and their businesses. Goxi Microinsurance, we're a composite microinsurance company. What I mean by that is that we offer life, and non-life, microinsurance services. And that's what we are licensed to do as a composite microinsurance, for them to be able to, cover their businesses against risk, any form of fortuitous risk that actually in case of fire, burglary, and then, some of those petty traders and, artisans who also require funds. We know that for any business to grow, they require funds. They go to either their cooperative society, they go to microfinance bank, microfinance institution, and all of form of credit platform, for them to be able to source for funds to be able to grow their business. We also provide that product, the microloan microinsurance, to support them, such that when the business run into any challenges, we come in to ensure that their loans are forgiven. We have something also similar for the agri sector, the agro sector. We also believe that for us to be able to attain food sustainability, people who are or entrepreneurs that are also involved in agro businesses also require funds. And we now also tailor the microloan microinsurance. We call it agro microloan microinsurance. It's tailored to actually meet all the challenges or risk exposure that an agri entrepreneur can actually face in the course of running their business. So all of these products are designed to ensure that we provide that, the benefit of the cover to them, and should they run into challenges, the outstanding balance of their loan are forgiven by any of the organization or firm who have supported them with such credit, so that they can also continue to, assess another loan and then be able to continue to run their businesses. With this product, we have partnership with quite a lot of, microcredit institution, finance bank, microfinance, cooperative society, and all of those organizations who are in the multilateral institution that also involved in actually supporting micro business entrepreneurs for them to be able to develop their business. And we have the cooperative welfare, and of course, the cooperative welfare also is a product that's actually developed for. I'm sure the culture of our people. We like to be in cooperative, in association. We like to be either a trade association, even community association. Those are some of the things that we cherish, as Africans. So we have a cooperative welfare microinsurance product also that is designed to take care of, the welfare of, member of those associations. So it can be taken up to ensure that should there be any challenges, either by, through in the course of their going about their daily activity, such challenges can actually be taken care of through the cooperative welfare microinsurance, to ensure that all the members are protected and their family as well are also protected against any form of shock. We equally have a product that is called tricycle and Okada business microinsurance. Those are essentially designed for, I'm sure in Africa too, because of the challenges of transportation. Some of our means of transportation, as in a cosmopolitan city like Lagos, we have the tricycle that supports the that system as well. We have some of those that even Okada is their main source of livelihood. We have a product for them also, that we call Tricycle Okada Business Microinsurance, that is tailored to meet, address all the challenges that they could face as an entrepreneur, using that as a source of their own livelihood as well. We protect the tricycle to ensure that should anything happen to it, comprehensive cover is arranged to ensure that they get compensated, or to ensure that they're able to go back to business as quickly as possible.
100 naira, 200 naira, 300 naira. Mama Nkechi, oya take.
Wetin I wan carry 300 naira do?
Mama Nkechi, every day me and you go comot house go hustle for market. If anything do us, who go dey our back?
So na 300 naira one day our back.
You never hear of Goxi Microinsurance, the first licensed specialized microinsurance company for Nigeria, where they give cheap insurance cover with as low as 300 naira. Goxi Microinsurance get insurance products like Goxi Cooperative Welfare Scheme, Goxi My Business, Goxi Agric Loan Protection, and others wey go give us peace of mind.
Oya, make we start now.
Goxi Microinsurance no dey give loan, but we go help you carry your wahala with our insurance package.
For more information, make you visit them office for Edward and Valeria Plaza, 107 Obafemi Awolowo Way, Ikeja, or make you call 0802-314-0939 and 0815-287-9591. Terms and conditions dey. Goxi Microinsurance. Small money, big help.